After all the uncertainty, going on TV, not knowing if we were going to get tickets to the grand final of the AFL,
we're here.
We are here. Now, we are both separated. Charlie is the brave one, and she is going to be sitting with the Geelong fans. So I do expect I expect to see you on camera cheering while all the Geelong fans are sitting down quiet, okay, when we score.
Okay. I'll try my best.
She won't. But we are here. We're so excited. This is the grandest stage, right? Now, we were here a couple of weeks ago and there was no one here, but now it is 100,000 people plus ready to watch Sydney Swans
and Robbie Williams
versus, you said that wrong, Sydney Swans versus Geelong Cats with Robbie Williams, who Charlie's really here to see. This is exciting. Let's get in. Bye, Charlie. Enjoy the Cats, fans.
Well, you're on TV, and I thought, God,
the most amazing thing. I come all the way from England just to be recognised by all these Aussies.
Yeah, it's perfect.
On TV? What do you see me on TV or on the blog?
No, TV.
TV. Yeah. There you go. I'm an Aussie TV.
I don't know what a blog. I don't know what a blog is.
All right, well, go on YouTube. You'll be on my YouTube now.
Oh, that's perfect.
Who's going to win?
Swannies.
By how much?
Oh.
12.
8 points.
8 points, 12 points.
13 points.
13 points. I'm going to say...
1 point.
I don't want it to be 1 point.
Don't say 1 point.
My heart can't take it. I'm going to say 26. There's going to be a shock.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Right, just me on my own now. Got to find gate 3 and go find my seat in the Geelong fans. Gonna be an interesting game. I'm happy just to be here. So a seat is a seat, the way we're looking at it. But it's absolutely incredible. So I've just got to find where the gate is to get in.
Well, we've made it. Charlie is over there somewhere. Due to a very nice person, I have got my ticket. Charlie has got her ticket. I can wave her, but she won't see me. The beers are in. The entertainment has started. Ready? Bear Daily.
I'm really close to the front. I'm like 6 rows back or 7 rows, so it's actually quite a good seat to see the pre-show entertainment.
Charlie is not a happy girl right now, then I don't know what will make her happy, because we have Robbie Williams!
Back to the hits. Come and hold my hand.
empty MCG compared to 100 plus thousand. Well, now I know. The game's not even started yet. The teams are out. We are ready. 14 minutes away for the first bounce. The roar after the national anthem, spine tingling. Get him back. Yes! Go on. Well, a real lacklustre first 17 minutes, but we finally got off the board. 13-6. Well, look who I found. You can put your Sydney scarf back on now. So amazingly, we had a seat next to me, not taken. So I spoke to a lovely steward and we went and got Charlie. Amazing. So she's out of the Cats. Now, we're into the second quarter and it is not good. It is awful. 49 to the Cats, 13 to the Swans. The Swans have just been awful. We're second best to everything, not making the marks. We can only hope it gets better. The first half is over and it is 26 for Swans, 62 for the Cats. It is getting a little bit embarrassing. Did you enjoy your time down with the Cats fans?
Well, I got to see lots of goals.
Well, there was lots of loud people around you.
But I couldn't be a Swans fan down there, I don't think. I didn't feel comfortable being a Swans fan.
So my analysis of the first half is Swans have been second best to everything. When we get the ball, it's just panicking. You know, and me as being a football soccer person, tactically, we've got no tactics going on at all. What I would say to them at half time is get the ball and take your time. Get your eyes looking around, vision. You know, all we're doing is when we get the ball, we're playing it long and hoping it goes to one of the teammates. And quite often, that person the ball's going to, it's 2-on-1. Percentages say 33% chance of winning it. Doesn't make sense. So I don't understand why we're not just getting the ball, taking our time, and looking for people in space. But that relies on our Swans players without the ball to actually be moving. You know, get away from the defenders, and it's not happening. So it's a big gap.
Can we close it?
I don't know. If I'm honest, Cats have been so good this season that I really don't see the Cats letting us in. It's going to be really, really tough. So it's half time. Maybe we'll get some food now.
Get some food, and I'm going to enjoy whatever's coming on.
Half-time show. I don't know what's on at the half-time show, but we'll find out. So we've both gone for chicken and chips, but this is what everyone has been telling me to get. The pie. I'm going to compare it. I've got to compare it to our pies over in the UK. All right. It's okay. It's quite meaty. I'll take it. What do you think? You don't look that impressed.
It's just a beef.
I think people are overhyping it.
Quite nice, but with ketchup, it's just odd.
No, I think people are overhyping it, right?
Yeah.
Sorry to disappoint you guys. The second half starts with 2 Cats goals within the space of, what, 4 minutes? And the second goal was given to them, kicked across the goal. I think the atmosphere around here sums up the performance. Quiet, lackluster, embarrassing. It's just awful.
Get in there, Heaney.
Still in the third quarter, 86-27. If you're a Cats fan, this is probably the best result you can hope for. If you're a Swans fan, it's awful. Just it's hard to explain. There is now no atmosphere. I don't think I've seen them play so bad. It's the Swans players should be absolutely embarrassed. 27 to 101. Just, I don't know what emotions I have. Going to the Sydney Collingwood game and feeling like I was going to have a heart attack, then complete euphoria, to this. I don't even feel sad. I just feel nothing. It's such a bad game. There is no atmosphere here anymore. The result is done. We've still got 1 quarter to play. Just Swans have let everyone down, really. Another one for Geelong, 115 to 34.
on Simon. The Sydney Football Club have had a magnificent season, but it wasn't their day today. Would you please welcome one of their captains, Dane Rampy, to come forward and say a few words.
Firstly, to Chris and Joel and Geelong Footy Club, a heartfelt congratulations on the premiership this year. You guys have been the benchmark for God knows how long, and great to see you. Great reward for effort. Round of applause. I just want to touch on Joel's Selwyn's record as well. Sometimes you've got to pinch yourself and you share the film with giants in the game, mate, and you're an absolute giant. Congratulations. To our boys, bad luck today. So proud of your efforts throughout the season. We'll be back hungrier and better for it next year. And to our red and white supporters, both South Melbourne and back in Sydney, sorry we failed you today. But your support has been the utmost over the last 3 years, during COVID, and this year particularly back with crowds. Thank you.
The winner of the 2022 Norm Smith medal, no relation, Isaac Smith.
To the Swans, I have nothing but respect and admiration. You're an unbelievable football club, led by Horse and Harl, so commiserations today. To our boys, unbelievable, and certainly a little bit of shock. It was a phenomenal performance. Thank you to all our support staff and coaches, to our unbelievable sponsors of the AFL, and finally, I'd like to give a shout out to my family, my beautiful wife Candace, and my hero growing up. Pop, I love you.
Number 2, his 250th, Zach Tui. Number 5, Jeremy Cameron. The coach of the 2022 Toyota AFL Premiership team, Chris Scott of the Geelong Football Club. And now it's Joel Selwyn to come forward and say a few words.
Firstly, to
the AFL and their major sponsor, Toyota. We thank you for putting on a great season, and thank you to your fans for coming out, because it's made it all the better. To John, Dane, Luke, and Callum, hell of a performance this year. Been strong, and you'll be back, I'm sure of that. To our major sponsors, Ford, GMHBA, Cotton On, and Deacon, we can't thank you enough, along with all the rest of the sponsors that are on board. To my teammates and the club, everyone involved in it, not just this year, but the years that have gone by. I hope you sit back proud. They're a hell of a group. And to our 72,000+ members, we can't thank you enough. Jump back on board, these boys are so special. It's coming home, back where it belongs. Can I just reiterate how much admiration we have for the Swans? And for that matter, the Swans supporters that stuck around. You didn't have to, and we'll always be appreciative for that. I won't bang on for too long about the sponsors, but it is worth noting that 2 or 3 years ago, our footy club and the whole competition was on its knees. And those people could have run away from us in a heartbeat, but they didn't. They stuck by us, and I think we've all got these people to thank. The fans for coming back, Heather's footy at the G. Never more than ever in footy does it take a big group of people to have success. And our squad over a long period of time has had to deal with some difficult times. And to get to this point, it hasn't just happened this year. We've had coaches, James Rowley, Matty Scarlett, Corey Enright, and Matty Knight, who have helped us so much, and I'll always be thankful to those guys. Our wider footy club, again, it's not hyperbole to say that 2 or 3 years ago we were in real trouble. We're back getting quality people into our place, and we just keep persevering. I couldn't be more proud of the whole Geelong community. Let's enjoy this one, please.
Well, the result was not even remotely what we wanted. First of all, before I end the vlog, I want to say thank you to everyone who has helped us get here. Whether it's getting us tickets, whether it's getting us into footy and the Swans in the first place, you guys have made this trip possible. We came for the football and kangaroos and koalas, but we came for the football. We didn't know we were going to be able to get grand final tickets until yesterday. That was going to be me, and then this morning for Charlie. And so thank you everyone, people that have been watching my Rob Reacts channel for the last year and a half, 2 years. You guys have made this possible. That being at the grand final, especially at the start, was absolutely awesome.
It was amazing. Even sat in the Geelong fans, it was amazing.
Charlie started off with the Geelong fans. The atmosphere was buzzing. It was electric. So to be there, we appreciate that, the effort that's gone in from other people to get us there, and just lost for words. Now let's get to the game. I find it quite strange being a football soccer fan, going to stadiums, and I know how the behaviour is from fans at those games when your team doesn't turn up, because that's what happened today. Swans have been fantastic this year, but they did not turn up to the final. And looking at the differences between soccer and footy, the crowd, yes, it went quiet. The atmosphere wasn't great during the game because of the performance. But in football, if that was the case, if your team was losing 4, 5, 6-0, people would be leaving. People would be
Most of the fans would be gone.
They would be gone.
You'd get to 60 minutes and the stadium would be half empty.
The fans would be screaming. They would be so angry. And don't get me wrong, I'm sure there was fans that were angry, and I was a little bit angry. You could tell, because it was embarrassing. But that didn't then come onto the field.
No.
Unlike in soccer it would. So the family atmosphere stayed. We're leaving, and yes, it's somber from the Swans fans, but there's no anger. There's no, I don't know. We accepted that the Cats won. They were the better team. They were the better team. They deserved to win. They deserved to win. They finished top of the league. And in my mind, if you finish top of the league, you played all those games, you deserve to win. And they did. They were brilliant. Cats were fantastic, and we were second best to everything. We really were. The team did not turn up, but we got to a grand final.
It was amazing to watch. It's not the result we wanted, but it's still amazing.
You got to see Robbie. You enjoy Robbie?
Robbie was great.
Robbie was
With a bit of
fantastic. What I do find funny, actually, talking about Robbie, is a lot of people weren't happy about Robbie Williams playing.
No, where I was sat originally, people were not too chirpy
because
about
he's
Robbie
not
being
because he's not Aussie.
Whereas that's me singing along.
I was singing.
It.
I was singing mainly because you put Robbie on our Spotify playlist. But I was singing. I think Robbie was brilliant.
In his pink suit.
But people didn't like it because he wasn't an Australian, and that's wrong. Open this sport up to the world. If you're watching this, we've come from England to watch the football. Open it up. This sounds a bit emotional now, but this game should be shared because it is the best game, the best sport in the world. Open it up. Don't shut people away. Really do open it up, and we'll be back again. We'll be back again.
To see Swans win.
The Swans will be back again. We'll be back again. The trip is not over. The trip is not over. Plenty more to come. Thank you so much, everyone. The support from everyone is incredible. Thank you so much. Make sure you like
and
subscribe, share with your friends, and we will catch you next time.